So the tension from the United Methodist Church continued out to the Boulevard area, where this pastor, this man who seems to be a supporter of gay practice, has been chased by angry crowd, and his car windshield was damaged by the angry crowd. So this is the vehicle. This is the vehicle he's riding. And
yeah, this is Liberia. This is Liberia. What is happening right now is that these people, they are going to do wedding. Man marry a man, woman marry woman. So the people of Liberia said, no, we don't need such nonsense in our country. And they are going to do the wedding inside the Methodist church. I will leave you people to watch the video, and I will post the other videos. I will still post the other videos on my YouTube channel. So what happened is that the people attack those guys that want to do wedding, man marry a man, woman marry a woman. Those people of Liberia attack them on their way to do wedding. So watch the video. I'm coming back.
So that's it. It started from the United Methodist Church 72nd. So this is it. The man who is in support of it, he was chased by an angry crowd. So there's a vehicle. This is a vehicle. Wow, this is it. The police has rescued him. So he was rescued them. The police has rescued him. Angry crowd chased him from the 72nd, and so the police rescue the supporter of gay practice. That's the man who is supporting the practice of gay. He ran from the 72nd junction up to the boulevard, and his vehicle was damaged by the angry crowd. The back windshield of the vehicle got damaged. The back windshield of his vehicle got damaged. So this is it. So you angry? You angry about this?
Yeah,
what happened? Why you angry?
Yeah,
what happened? What the mean reason?
This thing, because actually, that's very good.
Yeah,
that's to be happening. Also, because they will let people what they want to make it more evil for us. Someone that want also for like I can't tell me like.
So you one of those that were going against the pastor?
Exactly.
Wow. Okay, so again. Okay, I come. Hello, so folks. This is it. We will get to you shortly. These are some of the they agree. So you felt against it? You not like it?
We are against it, but we can't do nothing because the president.
Why are you so angry? What's your name? What's your name first?
I'm Beno. Like, you know, the whole thing is kind of crazy, you know. People got a children growing on in the community. These days, the children, the father, there's anything they see doing, I don't know where about doing. I don't know where about doing. In the first place, I just so agree to that 2 men will get married out here. We don't accuse them getting married. I don't want to marry. They get them in the places. Yeah, you're feeling it. Why you put it like create something like finger something they did and do that stuff. But let's take it up in the can't bring it. None of the children growing in the community, they see it. They'll follow that path. You see it there like that. They don't say that. That's supposed to be like in the country.
All I'm saying that every individual has his own right.
Fine, I agree. We're not increasing on the rap, but the thing is, let it carry to let it go have a problem, let it carry in a problem, but let it carry somewhere else. For everything, you want all the children. I don't talk about the children that coming up. Small kids, stuff for us, man. You know, man, I can look at you employing into something where you don't want to be into. But what happened to the children that coming on in the community? What happened to them? What happened to them? And kids, they're not anything the children see. I don't know where about doing. I don't know where about doing. I get my hands on that. Anything that makes something that you will say you want to see there. So you gotta make us see a friend getting married to somebody when I make program married to me. What the
So this is it. We're getting back to the 72nd end. Leaving this place and get back to the 72nd junction where the happening is the man who was chased. The man who was chased by the angry crowd into the church, and all of the church members throwing out of the church. He was bullied, and then he managed to make his way where he was leaving the church building, and then the angry crowd chased him from the church up to the 72nd Boulevard, and where his car was damaged. And they are saying they are not in favor of same-sex marriage. Same-sex marriage against their way of life. So some of them are saying angry crowd, but we.
For me, the only thing I've less than brothers. So what's your name? What's your name? No, really, I don't know his name. So what's your name? My name is Carlos F. Newman.
What is so happening?
Morosa Collins.
What is happening?
I came this morning. I saw Pastor calling Morosa Collins, Keke, and the other people to be part of the wedding program to 72nd Junction. So when we came this morning, we entered the building. We saw Pastor and man getting married. And the member there said that they can't agree for the program though. He was there in our church, Methodist Church, located at 72nd Junction. That is the reason why we chase the man, we tell you to follow our church, we damage a car. Because we don't want for you to continue to have it anymore in Liberia.
Accusing on other rights.
No,
People have right to go about it.
You right here, if you say it's on right, let's look at Friday, let's look at Tuesday. One day have a constitution. No individual is bigger than the constitution of the country. Sure. And more precise, church is just an organization for working in the country.
Yeah, but there is no clause in the constitution that says men get married men.
No.
But I'm telling you.
No.
So you accuse him?
For me, I accuse them, man. And more precise, the things that they're happening, right? While the pastor of that church, or hierarchy for that church, is not in the law.
So because of that, you're still a car windshield.
When I school in the winter was not sufficient. I'm telling you, we're not accusing for me. I think it was essential for all the young mother, the both parties, and schooling in the winter because the car can be repaired, but the lamp cannot be replaced. So I wish, as I've seen, more of this can happen in the Muslim background, others. Then why is happening in a Christian background? So if I was there actually, I would be one of those that skinny the sun beach.
For me, I want to on the spot. Okay, so we still at the motorbike parking here, 72nd Boulevard. You're hearing from some of those that saw the happenings between the pastor and the angry crowd. Yeah. So this is the motorbike parking where the car windshield was broken. The angry crowd against the pastors. Some of those guys were here. I don't know who saw the thing happening. Who were here when the pastor car parked? I can't really let me see. Okay, let's try to get. What happened to them just now? They didn't happen. Anyway, yeah, when you happy, they make a park. Yeah, so what happened? What actually happened? When you gotta listen, you are live, the public is watching you. The public is watching you. What actually happened?
Give money, surprising the money, I saw every price, maybe can get by 30 minutes in there. Run behind and the kind of melody to
So the men are riding the car. Who is that man? The men are in the blue car. Okay. So thank you.
A lot of things are going on this world. Can you imagine Africans are into this kind of unclean thing? It's a very terrible situation. No problem. I will post the next video so that you people will see what is happening in this world, most especially in Africa. They want to bring this abomination into Africa. But I like how Africans are saying no, we don't need it.